When it comes to performance, the IgniteXL Bold stands dramatically in a class of its own. With its clean, minimalist design, the Bold uses taller and deeper proportions and a larger viewing area to captivate your attention from anywhere in a room. Boasting flames that fill 2/3 of the height of the viewing area, the IgniteXL Bold is truly remarkable. With the ability to choose flame only, the IgniteXL Bold can be enjoyed year-round, from hot summer days to chilly winter nights. Comfort Saver heating technology lets you select from 4 distinct heater modes and warms any room with quiet precision. Hidden touch controls that illuminate when in use let you customize a look that suits your taste. Choose from a vast array of mesmerizing flame colors, media colors, flame speeds, and ambient light settings. Our ambient light sensor is the type of smart technology you expect from a best-in-class product. As your room transitions from day to night, the firebox lighting adjusts automatically to provide optimal ambiance. Another smart feature of the IgniteXL Bold is its air circulation mode. This setting ensures the air in your room is kept fresh through continuous movement, even when not enjoying the fireplace functions. Remote operation means you can awaken your senses with the touch of a button, while a convenient built-in timer can be used to automatically switch off the fireplace after a preset amount of time. One product, 4 installation options. Choose from front, bay, left or right, perfectly engineered to transform any room into a stylish focal point. With 5 sizes ranging from 50 to 100 inches, you'll find an option to suit your space. Need something even larger? The IgniteXL Bold provides the exclusive ability to link multiple units together, making it possible to achieve even the grandest of visions. With 5 adjustable flame speed settings, go from calming and serene to roaring and dramatic with the touch of a button. The choice is yours. Savor an upscale experience and year-round luxury, only with the IgniteXL Bold. Innovation, quality, and design are easy to enjoy with Dimplex.